Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Nihad and I do a lot of get ready with me and styling videos. So currently I'm doing a floral series, and for today's look I have this yet another outfit which can actually be amazing to be worn for a vacation because it's got lots of flowers and botanicals all over it. And I'm talking about this jumpsuit. So it's a jumpsuit which is fully floor length and it's got this wide legged pants with it, and it has this kind of free flowing sleeves, this v neck, and then it's got this belt that you can actually tie around the waist. So that's the outfit for today. And I think this will go very well if you're doing like a vacation on a beach, or even otherwise, like even elsewhere, or even for like a day out, during the daytime. You can definitely wear because this has a lot of bright colors. So something similar to this you can definitely explore. So let me just quickly put this on, and I have some cool accessories to pair with it, so we shall accessorize it after that. Hi. So here I am. I have this outfit on. That's the full look. So it cinches at the waist because of the bow that I've tied out here. So that's how it looks. It's very vibrant, and it's amazing for like I said, for vacations and even for during day outings. So that's to do with the outfit. Now let's quickly accessorize it. For the accessories, I first have this watch, because it's green and this has a lot of green, so I thought this will go perfectly well with this outfit. So that's the watch. Then I'm pairing it with these earrings. It's like snowman. So these are the earrings. That's how the earrings look. So now that's done. I have this bracelet to go with it, or kada rather. It has this wavy pattern, it's metal. And for the necklace, I have this chain. That's, okay, 1 second. That's the pendant. That's the chain on. Finally, I got a bunch of rings. So these are the rings. Putting these on one by one. So I've got two rings and two mid rings. So with that, the accessorizing is done, and yeah, finally my hair. I'll just, because it's a vacation look and this is a very free flowing look, I'm just gonna keep it open the way it is, and yeah, with that, this look is done. that this video comes to an end. And in case if you like this look, please comment down below, turn the notifications on, and please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And I shall see you in the next one. There are more such floral print videos lined up. So in case if you want inspiration, or if you are interested in fashion and styling and this kind of stuff, please hang on to this channel. Thank you for stopping by. Bye bye.